Okay. Can you dump it in there? Whee! It's a half cup. That's okay. We'll clean it later. Look, there's some on my finger too. Lick it. Here, dump it. Hey, you want me to dump it? Yeah, you got it. Look at that. There you go. 1 cup of flour. Can you say 1 cup of flour?
1 cup of flour.
Yay.
She's gonna fly.
Okay.
She can't have some in
You
there.
can't have some in there.
She can't have some flour. What about have some flour?
I don't think the donut likes flour. This is baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking powder. That's right, it is baking soda.
Yeah.
Half teaspoon of baking soda. There we go. Good job. Put that away. Now we need salt.
Okay.
How much salt do we need? Half teaspoon of salt. She wants to go in the barn. Okay. You getting ready to mix it? Half teaspoon of salt. Okay. Now some cinnamon. Where's my cinnamon? Here's my cinnamon. Alright, just shake some in there. Can you shake it in there? Keep shaking. Here, look, it's stuck, so we do this. Now shake. See? That's how it works. Can I try? Okay. Alright. Now, let's mix it. I'm going to use a fork. So we want to mix all our dry ingredients. That way, when we put wet ingredients in, it doesn't clump together separately, like baking soda. You know how sometimes, maybe you don't know, but sometimes when you have homemade stuff, you eat something and it has like a clump of baking soda by itself. It's kind of disgusting. But if we mix all the dry ingredients before the wet, we shouldn't have that clumping. You're doing a good job. Okay.
I'm big,
Huh?
I'm big. I'm big one.
You are a big one. Should I help you just a little bit?
Yeah.
Then we put milk in.
Now we can milk.
Yep.
Yeah.
1 cup of oat milk. Usually we would do regular milk, but currently we are doing dairy-free. So, 1 cup of oat milk. Dump it in there. There we go. And now 2 tablespoons coconut oil. And usually we would do butter, but doing dairy-free, so coconut oil is actually it's a tablespoon and a half. Almost did too much. There we go. Coconut oil. And let's see.
Actually, there's milk in it.
There's milk in it? Yep.
Actually, not.
And 1 egg. That's straight from our chicken coop. Or last night it did. There we go.
The chicken dad.
The chicken coop. Yep. There we go. Sugar.
Sugar.
So it's 1 tablespoon of sugar, but I just swapped sugar out and put maple syrup in. There we you go. Something like that. Not super accurate, but it's fine. We add maple syrup to the top. And a 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Yep. This is homemade vanilla. And my wife made it. She makes delicious vanilla. There you go. 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla, homemade vanilla. That's good. Alright. Do you need help? Let me break that in for you. Like that. I am mixing it. Oh, she came back? Alright. Say hi. She's pretending this is a laptop, by the way. So she's on the call with somebody. Who is it? It's Sissy. You are Sissy. Oh, she's Sissy now. Okay. You wanna see? Look. Yummy. Pancake batter. You think she wants pancakes? Okay, you can mix again if you want to. She's on the phone. Oh, she's on the computer. She talking to you? Okay. What's she saying? She likes the candle. Okay.
She likes this stand.
I did too.
I did too.
What? That one. Mm.
Yeah.
Put the coconut oil in it.
No,
There we go.
we can't put some.
Yeah, we can.
No, we can't.
Well, I just did, so now what? Well, that's plenty of coconut oil. Alright. Should I open it for you? Some blueberries. There you go. I'm gonna have to hold you. It's kind of hot, but I can hold you. I can help you. There we go. Ready to put one in? We have 3 pancakes. There you go, good throw. Alright, now. Chicken sausage links.